Have you ever thought how these missiles hit fighter jets with such accuracy? Today we will talk about 3 types of missile systems. First is semi-active radar homing system. In this, the firing plane locks the enemy plane with its radar, and the missile fires. The missile does not keep the radar itself, but reaches the target with the signal reflected from the firing plane's radar. In case if the enemy plane hides behind something or succeeds in getting the lock, then the missile stops getting the signal, and the missile leaves the enemy plane and goes astray. Second is heat-seeking missile system. In this, the firing plane does not lock the enemy plane with its radar. Rather, the IR seeker of this missile detects the heat of the enemy plane's engine and follows it. That's why you must have seen that fighter jets leave flares to avoid missiles, so that the heat-seeker missile following them can turn towards the heat coming out of the flare and escape. Third is active radar homing system. In this, the firing plane locks the enemy plane with its radar, and the missile fires. This missile has its own radar, due to which it does not need the additional help of the firing plane, and it hits the enemy plane using its radar.